Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we dive into the latest and most fascinating news from the world of astronomy and space exploration. Researchers have detected a strange signal coming from a distant galaxy, which has sparked a heated debate about its origins. But before we dive into that story, let's take a look at some other interesting news from the world of space exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope has made another groundbreaking discovery, this time detecting a unique chemical signature in the atmosphere of a distant exoplanet. This finding has significant implications for our understanding of the formation and evolution of planetary systems. The telescope's advanced instruments have also allowed scientists to study the composition of comets and asteroids in unprecedented detail, providing new insights into the early history of our solar system. In other news, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope is still going strong after decades of operation, and its successor, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, is set to launch soon. The European Space Agency's Euclid mission is also making waves, exploring the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. And China is gearing up to launch its own space telescope, which will survey the skies and identify new targets for study. But now, let's get back to that mysterious signal. Scientists have been studying a strange phenomenon in the universe, where a unique pattern of light and radiation has been detected coming from a distant galaxy. The signal is unlike anything seen before, and researchers are struggling to explain its origins. Some believe it could be evidence of an advanced alien civilization, while others think it might be a natural phenomenon that we don't yet understand. As we continue to explore the universe and push the boundaries of human knowledge, we're reminded that there's still so much to discover and learn. The search for answers is what drives us, and it's what makes space exploration so fascinating. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and the latest developments in space exploration. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of our own planet. Today, we have two fascinating stories that highlight the importance of conservation and scientific discovery. First, NASA has made a remarkable transfer of ownership, handing over 105 acres of wooded land at its Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, to the adjacent Patuxent Research Refuge. This parcel of land, formerly known as Area 400, is now part of the largest block of unfragmented forest between Washington and Baltimore, providing a unique opportunity for wildlife research and conservation. As Jamie Dunn, Center Director at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, noted, for over 6 decades, NASA Goddard has helped shape humanity's understanding of Earth. We're glad to present this land to our colleagues in the Fish and Wildlife Service, whose conservation and research helps do the real legwork in preserving our blue marble for future generations. This transfer is a testament to the power of collaboration and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. In another exciting development, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has captured stunning images of the galaxy Centaurus A, providing unprecedented insights into the evolution of galaxies and black holes. The telescope's mid-infrared instrument, or MIRI, has revealed intricate details of the galaxy's dust structures, including glowing reddish-purplish dots that indicate the presence of dust-rich stars or stellar nurseries. These images offer a unique glimpse into the life cycle of stars and the formation of new galaxies. As scientists continue to study these phenomena, they will gain a deeper understanding of the complex interplay between galaxies and black holes, ultimately shedding light on the mysteries of the universe. As we pause to reflect on these remarkable stories, let's remember that the pursuit of scientific knowledge is deeply connected to our responsibility to protect and preserve our planet. By exploring the wonders of the cosmos, we are reminded of the beauty and fragility of our own world and the importance of working together to ensure a sustainable future for all. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of the universe, today we're going to talk about a fascinating discovery that's helping us better understand the structure of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. You see, astronomers have long been trying to map the spiral arms of our galaxy, But it's a challenging task due to our position within one of those arms and the interference from gas and dust. However, by observing the light from powerful explosions in the universe, known as gamma-ray bursts, bouncing off dust clouds in the Milky Way's spiral arms, researchers have made some remarkable findings. Using data from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the European Space Agency's XMM Newton, a team of scientists has made precise measurements of distances to dust clouds in the Milky Way's spiral arms. And what they found is quite astonishing. The outer spiral arms in the Milky Way are about 10% more distant than previously thought. This may seem like a small difference, but it's a significant revision that could change our estimates of the galaxy's mass and structure. Imagine being able to see the Milky Way from outside, with its majestic spiral arms stretching across the cosmos. Our solar system is located on one of those arms, about halfway from the center of the galaxy. But what's truly remarkable about this discovery is the way it was made possible by studying the light echoes from gamma-ray bursts. These powerful explosions are like cosmic lighthouses, illuminating the dust clouds in the galaxy's spiral arms and allowing us to measure their distances with unprecedented precision. The researchers used 3 different gamma-ray bursts to measure the distance from Earth to 3 of the Milky Way's spiral arms: the Perseus, the outer, and the outer scutum Centaurus arms. And what they found is that both the outer and outer scutum Centaurus arms are about 10% more distant than previously thought. This could mean that astronomers have to revise estimates of the mass of the galaxy, because that affects how wide the arms stretch. As we continue to explore the universe and refine our understanding of its structure, discoveries like this remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a vast and intricate system, with mysteries still waiting to be unraveled. And as we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded of the infinite wonders that lie beyond our small planet. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.